I just want to say something. If you lived in Western North Carolina, where all that went on, and you had access to a gun, you would be wearing one. And that is your Second Amendment right. And whether or not you wanted to, if you wanted to allow the government on your property, you have a say in that. And if you said no, the government's position is to label you a militia. I've at my fingers over 100 people I can call that have been inside that area, and they have been received with open arms for help. Yeah. They have blocked no aid. They have welcomed people to work. It's been, you can't wrap your head around it. But the government wants to portray through the propaganda that it's some militia. It's not. It's just people saying, hey, get the fuck off my property, that happen to be wearing a gun, and you would be too. Today, or yesterday, they found a family of 11 dead in a barn, I believe. Their house had been destroyed by the waters. And they had went out there and wrote SOS on the ground and got in this barn, and they drowned to death. And I can't help but think, if those people drowned in the amount of time when the president was flying around and they had a no-fly zone for 5 or 6 hours for the whole fucking area, so he could get off the airplane and fumble his fucking words, act like a true fucking idiot, or if it was during the time or the area where the Michigan Task Force was. These guys right here, that's their names. A couple of them. And I'll say something to you guys on that task force. If you want to tell your side of the story, I'm readily available, for sure. This is not speculation. This is me talking to people that were in that area around Marshall and other areas, and people I know that were hands-on around the Bakersfield area and Chimney Rock. The first thing that went out was the phones. Well before the storm or the power went out, right? There was people that I know personally, I just got off the phone with, that were talking to people in that area, and their phones had been bought, just got on. It was like Saturday, last Saturday. And the first text message they got was a storm warning. They hadn't even got a warning yet. That was the first fucking, on numerous accounts, that's what I've been told, right? Unfucking real. Unfucking real. Unacceptable. And I don't know if you heard about that. You can look this one up, but this really chaps my ass. This Georgia sheriff who's up for re-election got pissy about his Burger King order because somebody down there fucked it up, and he sent some deputies down there and they had body cameras on. And that is exactly what the fuck's wrong with America and the government. You overprivileged, fucking pompous, fat-ass sons of bitches, right? That are on a power trip. When you serve the people. Listen, when you took the oath of office, you didn't take the oath so that you could get your fucking order right. You took the oath to protect and serve and uphold the Constitution for the motherfuckers that made the fucking hamburger, you dumb son of a bitch. Get it right. Fluent fucking English.